Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize your WordPress website for better performance. First of all, I need to log in into my WordPress website. So to log in, just you can add /wp-admin and after that add username and password, then click on login button. Now here I need to go and install a new plugin. Let me go in the plugin sections. And here I need to install WP Rocket plugin. So let me deactivate Lightspeed Cache plugin. And now here I need to install a new plugin. Let me upload plugin file. Plugin that we are going to use name is WP Rocket. Here you can get this plugin, this one. Now simply you need to upload plugin zip file. Here you can see .zip format, otherwise you can get error in plugin installation. And now we need to check website speed. So just you can go on GT Matrix and then here you can add website URL. Let me copy it and add here, then click on the button test now. It will take few seconds to check your website speed. Scroll down and here you can see speed is good. So now simply activate the plugin. And then you can go in the plugin settings. Here you can see this one, WP Rocket settings. Then scroll down and this is plugin settings. Then you can go to file optimization. Click here, minify CSS files, then optimize. Remove unused CSS. Click here to activate. Minify JavaScript files. And then you can also check this one. So I think that's not recommended. Then click on save changes. Again scroll down and then go to media settings. Then enable all of these features. Then click on save changes. Then again scroll down. So what's in advanced rules? You can add some codes here. Then database. So you can enable cache settings, then you can optimize tables, and also you can schedule automatic cleanup. Then click here to save changes and optimize. Then again scroll down. You can also integrate CDN, and you can use add-ons. So here you can see these are the extra plugins that you can use as add-ons. Then go to image optimization, scroll down, and you can also use image optimization plugins. Here you can see 9 lakh plus active installations with 4.8 star ratings. So this website speed is already good, and if you check your website before and after, then you will see a clear difference in your website speed and performance. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube.